Today it's a long weekend and my kids are still sleeping. So I thought maybe I would recreate one of my recipe in the past, which is the Hokkaido Milk Bread. So I've actually did a little bit more research and found some other recipe. So I thought I would give it a try today. So first of all, I'm going to do the starter, which is in Chinese is the Tongzhong. So to start up with the starter, we're gonna have milk and water. Then I'm going to add the flour. Turn it on to low medium heat and let it combine. Once it gets thick, you can turn off the fire and then we can start the next step. We're going to first whisk the dry ingredients together. So we have some bread flour. We're gonna put it into my mixer with a hook. And then we have the salt, sugar, most importantly, my yeast. And now give it a stir. Then we're gonna slowly incorporate the egg, milk, and butter. And now we're going to add the butter and our starter. Let's mix. As you can see, I have a different outfit, and I realized the other day my dough was not working out. When I poured out, I was like, why is it so wet? So I looked it up. I put way too much starter into it. Instead of a half cup, I put a whole cup into it. I reshoot it and showed it to you what it really should look like. And now let's try to roll out the dough and let it rest again. This dough has gone out of control, completely gone crazy. Having wet fingers actually prevent the dough from sticking onto your finger. So far working. I'm going to split this dough into half. Ooh. It's so stringy. Very sticky. But with some flour, it works out much better. So you just gather it inside and form a little, really cute little bun. Okay, put you in the bowl. Let you rise for 10 minutes. They are so prettily growing. So now I'm gonna put it in a grease pan, and hopefully this will turn out to be a nice little bun. Get it, so cute. To roll out the dough, first of all, I floured my hands. Then I punch the dough to release some excess air. I turn the dough inside the bowl to try to make it not as sticky instead of putting it on the table right away. And I flour the table and place it on. Using a circular motion, I gently fold and tuck the dough inside, creating a smooth surface. Then I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. Now I'm going to roll each of them same way as earlier. Tuck and roll, tuck and roll,
Gently pull and roll it in a circular motion. See, it's smooth. Now I'm gonna roll it out. Okay, a little bit flat. If it's sticky, just put more flour. Then I fold it in half again. Bottom it out and roll. Next, we're gonna put it into our grease pan. Repeat with the other doughs and let it proof until it's double its size. Prepare the oven at 375 Fahrenheit and let it bake until it's done. Okay. I just took it out from the oven. It kind of looks great. Ooh, look at that. It's really springy, super moist. It smells so good. I think it's because of the butter that we put in. Okay. Oh my god. It's so good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and go onto my website for the recipe. See ya!